we could get home until like 2:30.
You are on the fastest route despite some traffic. You will arrive at 2:28 p.m.
Hey, put me on the vlog! Put me on the vlog! Oh, that dude's shaking up my car. Shit. Get out of here.
So many cars, oh my god.
Shit.
They should just park outside. I'm sorry, baby, because of me I have to leave early.
It's okay, you make it up somehow.
Huh?
I said it's okay, you can make it up somehow. What, do you want me to accept the apology or do you want me not to accept
You're
it?
back online.
Accept it. And not make me pay for it.
You're not gonna pay for it, baby. You're good. You're good.
Oh, why did you get ticket?
Car got loud as exhaust.
But honestly, it'd be nice to see the rollout though.
It's okay. Next time. This is the first time they have it on
So this is the first time?
Sunday.
Oh.
I think it'll be on Saturday usually.